saw me take care of the meat chickens, get them moved on the fresh grass. I usually use the meat bird breadcrumb to get them to move and give them a little bit of feed, so that way they're actively scratching and working the ground to get the nice lush grass that you're about to see. That is what they turn these things into. So it's a huge difference. See how nice and lush that grass really is. So if you ever want good grass, that's how. So we've taken care of the chickens, well, the meaties, first thing this morning. Now we're on our way up to take care of the layer flock. We've got Hazel in with them so she can continue to help protect them, along with the other 3 roosters that are in here. It might actually be 4, but either way, there are roosters in here to help take care of them, as well as the guardian dog. So let's get up here and get those guys taken care of. It's a short little walk. She's usually really excited to see me in the morning whenever I'm the one coming up to take care of them. She'll get so excited. Her butt gets waggy instead of her tail. She gets waggy butt. You see out here, we've got a few, but it's generally this rooster here, this Australorp, and maybe 1 or 2 of the golden six-wings, or the Rangers. So we'll finish getting up here and get them taken care of. Good morning, Hazel. Good morning. Hi. See what I mean by the waggy butt? She doesn't get waggy tail, she gets waggy butt. Hi, Hazel. Good morning. Was you a good girl protecting and watching? Was you a good girl? Show me a hand. Show me a hand. Give it here. Oh, okay. Well, you don't want to do it this morning. You just want the scratches and the love and saying good morning, good job. Good girl, good job. Okay. So, right now, we've got one broody in a tractor by herself. She's sitting on maybe 10 or 11 eggs so that we can get a new rotation of layers. See? Escape artist. And then doesn't know how to get back in. But inside here, we call her Mama. So everybody gets up here. Everybody gets up here, patiently and impatiently waiting for this lid to open up. Oh, look at them getting excited. They know what's about to happen. We generally throw out some oats and a little bit of grain for them. And that's what happens. Everybody gets all excited. And ready to go. Once I get them taken care of, I generally walk over here and get tucks. You'll see why we call them tucks in just a second. Come on. Come on. Let's go right here today. So he generally waits patiently and sometimes impatiently. Ain't that right, Tux? There you go. So a little bit of grain, keep him healthy. While I have him standing here, I look him over, make sure he's good. Everything looks good. He's filling out well. Quit being nosy. Eat your grain. Filling out good. He's got one tick on him that I need to get off of him that I can see. Other than that, he's a good boy. He will stand here and eat that down to the dirt.